Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to return items on Amazon. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and head to Amazon. Once you're in the website, make sure you're signed into your account. And now, click on your profile at the top right corner. Here, you can see all option beside your orders. Click on it. Here you can see I haven't made any orders. If you have, all of your orders will be displayed here. Now, to return item, select the item that got delivered to you and now which you want to return. Now you'll see your option. Click on return plus replace item. Now, you'll have to go through some instruction and mention the reason for the return. And all you have to do is click on continue button. And that's how you can return your items on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.